Ahlan, hello. Today's lesson is about la. La is used to go negative in Arabic. It means no, not, there is no, don't. It's a very negative word. So how to use it? Meaning don't. لا تفعل. أنا لا أحب ذلك. Meaning there is no, or there are no. لا محمد هنا. That means there is no one called Muhammad here. لا أشجار هنا. There are no trees here. Meaning not and nor. لا هذا ولا ذاك. Another example when followed by two nouns and those two nouns are without alif and lam. لا خير ضائع. لا خير ضائع. There is no good that is lost, or there is no lost good. Something like that. So as you see, لا can be followed by a noun, اسم, or a verb, فعل, or itself can mean don't, or there is no.